Class Nursery, Subject Maths. Hello students, this is the maths copy for nursery class and I have opened page number 53 and on this page the heading is Color the squares blue. Color the squares blue. Children, as you can see that different shapes are made here, but I will look carefully and I have to find out the squares and I have to color it blue because it is directed in the question. So look at this first shape. Is it a square? No. Look at this shape. Is it a square? No. Look at this shape. Is it a square? Yes. So I have taken a blue color and I will put a mark in the square. Like this. Here is a square. I will put a mark in it. And one square is here, so I will put a blue mark like this. Now children, I have put a blue mark in the three squares. Now I can easily color the squares. So first I have colored the boundary and now I will color the inner part. Children, I have colored the squares blue. Children, you need to look at the shapes carefully and then you will use blue color for coloring the squares only. Make sure that no white space should be seen and you should do neat coloring. This is the maths workbook for nursery class. And I have opened page number 12 and on this page the heading is Encircle the smaller ones. Encircle the smaller ones. Children, now you must have got the idea about the smaller ones. So first of all, look at these shapes. Children, when you will look at them carefully, you will come to know that this is big and this is small. So I have to encircle the smaller one. So this is the smaller. So I have a pencil in my hand. So I will encircle this one. Like this. Here are two hens. This is small and this is big. So I have to encircle the smaller one. So I will encircle this one. Here are two aeroplanes. Children, when you will look at them carefully, you will come to know that this one is big and this one is small. So I have to encircle this smaller aeroplane. Here are two vans. This one is small and this one is big. So I will encircle this one. Like this. So children, after encircling these smaller things, here the headline is Encircle the bigger ones. Encircle the bigger ones. Now look at these two cats carefully. So you will come to know that this one is big and this one is small. So I have to encircle the bigger ones. So I will encircle this cat. Here are two fish. This is small and this is big. So I will encircle this one. Here are two balls. This one is big and this one is small. So I will encircle the big one. Here are two ducks. This one is small and this one is big. So I will encircle this one. Like this. So children, I hope that now you can differentiate between smaller ones and bigger ones. So I hope that you will follow my instructions and you will do neat work. God bless you. Thank you.